Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this CarPlay and Android Auto Wireless adapter for ring purposes. The first thing we see when we open the box is a quick guide on how to use it, which I think that it's nice, how to connect it to your device, albeit a iOS system or a Android system. It comes the main unit, as you can see, it's quite small. As you can see, this is the main unit. It's a USB Type A device, and it comes with a Type C adapter, which I think that it's nice in case that your car only has USB Type C ports. And it even had a little extension cord, which I think that it's really nice. You just plug it in and use it regularly, which I think that it's an excellent option to have. So let's test it out upon our car. Come on. Okay guys, now I'm here at my car and I'm gonna test it out. I'm just gonna plug it in directly. There it is. I can see that it turns on, and I'm gonna connect it with the cell phone. Okay, I'm gonna follow these instructions. I'm already found it. I'm gonna connect it now, and there we have it. We can have CarPlay without having to connect our cell phone, which I think that it's really useful. We can use all the different controls, controlling Spotify, the music that we're gonna use, Apple Music if we have it, getting this kind of grid, all the different applications, going to maps, Google Maps, which I think that it's really useful, setting a route. I think that it's gonna be really nice. And we can also answer phone calls like regularly, which I think that it's really great because it's just plug and play. I actually just connected, see the information, and I just turn it on. And I think that it's great, really simple to use, and I like it a lot, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.